The Voice of the People Party yesterday filed an FIR against Education Minister Rakkam Sangma. The party urged the police to take necessary action against the minister. Filing FIR on behalf of the party, Danny Langste, Finance Secretary of the party, said prior to the recently held Member of Parliament elections 2024, a video clip went viral where it is seen and heard that the said minister concerned in an election campaign made statements that were a direct imputation against the Voice of the People Party, and allegations were made that the said party will destroy, kill, oppress and annihilate other communities, which is totally false.
Integrity of the Constitution. At the end of the day, we are not the law. That's the very reason why we have come here and filed an FIR, which we have given a copy of that clip to the law enforcement, so they will take their own course of time to vet the video, the originality of the video.
Acting on